everyone, I am back with another entrepreneurial vlog. Today I'm showing you how I pack my packages for Etsy that have glass, that's a glass container. Welcome to my channel. My name is Monique Daniels if this is your first time on my channel. And what I'm going to do today is show you guys how I pack my Etsy orders. This is just one order right here that I'm going to demonstrate. The other orders I actually already sent out. So for this one, it's just showing how I pack the orders that contain, things like this that's made of glass. This is pure glass, so it's very easy for something like this to get broken in the mail, especially since they, be tossing packages all over the place a lot of times. I'm gonna show you what I do. I haven't had any complaints about anything being broken, since I am very, very careful with, making sure that our products are super secure when they're packed. Okay, so basically what I do, normally I put things in boxes, but since this is so tiny and my boxes are pretty big, and my boxes are actually for, several products at one time, I'm going to use this instead, but I'm going to be very careful with how I package this. I've done it before with this same thing because it's really little, guys. I don't even know if you can see. If you look at my hand, it's not even the size of my hand. It's very tiny. It's a dark circle oil that's really great for lightening up, the dark circles that's under your eyes. So we get, orders for this here and there, for people that are interested in, getting rid of those dark circles from underneath the eyes. But this is what I do. One, I always make sure I give them free samples. This is actually samples of our healing toner. And it is great for toning your skin. It's great for going deep into your pores and just basically getting all that embedded stuff out of your pores that wouldn't come out with regular soap. And I also make sure I put a thank you card in there, which has our coupon code up there, so that next time they place an order, they get 30% off any products that they want. Okay, so what I do is I take my bubble wrap and I actually double it. So now it's like it has double bubble wrap around it. And then I take my Etsy sticker, I'll put it this way, and put my Etsy sticker up there. These are the stickers I got from Etsy. They gave me a lot of rolls of these, so I like using these because it gives everything a much more professional look. So now that that's done, what I'm also going to do is I have a whole bunch of these. I actually have hundreds and hundreds of these. So I take, the bubble mailer, because it already has like the bubble wrap inside embedded in there. But then this is double wrapped on top of it. So once I put that in there, that's making it even more secure, okay? And then on top of that, what I'm sending it in is also a bubble mailer. So that's even more bubble wrap. So I'm making sure that this product is super secure and it will not break in transition. So I'm going to take that and just kind of seal it up. So now it has extra cushion on top of cushion. I'm gonna put that in there. I'm gonna put their free sample in there. Okay, so now it has a lot of cushion in here. And another thing that I'm gonna do too as well is I'm gonna put some of our little shredded pieces of paper in there too, because there's a lot of excess room in here. So that's gonna give it even more security. So I don't have to worry about this, small bottle of dark circle oil, in that glass container being broken. It'll be just fine. All right, I got my shredded paper. It's so pretty full. And I'm just gonna put that in there, put it all around the product, make sure it's nice and super secure. I don't gotta worry about this thing breaking at all, okay? It's definitely secure now. All right, nice. And when you can feel it like this and you just feel nothing but, the bubble wrap and the confetti here, the shredded paper, then you know that your package is super secure and you don't have to worry about anything breaking, okay? So now I'm just gonna put their packing slip inside, which you cannot see. Okay, so this package is all set and ready to go to the post office. Of course, I can't let you see their address. But I put a fragile sticker on top of there as well. I always make sure I put my fragile sticker near the barcode because I know they have to scan right there. So I want to make sure they see that this is fragile. All right, you guys, I hope that was helpful for my entrepreneurs out there, those of you who sell online, sell through direct mail, through Etsy like I do. That's just one of the things that I do that has been very helpful. I've learned through trial and error, trust me, because when my daughter and when we first started selling stuff on Etsy, we had some complaints about some things getting broken and things like that. So I don't have that problem no more. I make sure that everything is very, very secure. When I ship it, I know exactly how to ship things now. You just have to be extremely careful in your packaging because they don't have a care when they start they toss stuff in look, I be in those post offices and stuff. When they get your package, they throw it. It's just good to make sure that, that you're doing your part by making sure your products are packaged as securely as possible. All right? So you have an awesome, amazing, blessed day. Be safe out there. And remember that you are a king and you are a queen, and step into your divine greatness. All right? Bye-bye now.